Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. This is just going to be a quick video. I need to share this with you. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments, and let me know what you think about this. Y'all, this is a quick update about the free food for kids. I told you about it the other day. Well, I'm just updating on that. President Trump and the USDA has approved free food for kids 18 years of age and younger. I know people are going to be saying Donald Trump did not get this done, but yes, he did get this done in a roundabout way. He signed an executive order and it didn't go anywhere, but it made the CDC look at it. And without Donald Trump's executive order, the CDC would not have looked at it and investigated it. Therefore, the CDC is the one that got the USDA involved and got it approved. But without Donald Trump's executive order, the CDC would have let it go unnoticed. Y'all, there is no shame in asking for this. We all need help, and this is a very bad time. Most of us need help. So everybody, please get it while you can. It's easy to get. Just ask for it. I was also asked the other day, is this the food stamp program? No, it is not. There is also no shame in the food stamp program. If you need that, get it. Okay, this is how you apply for this. You're going to text summer meals to the number 97779. Just text summer meals, or you can call the toll-free number 1-866-348-6479. Okay, I want to talk about one other thing too. When it comes to stimulus, a lot of people think that when you say the word stimulus, you're automatically start talking about stimulus checks. A lot of people has took the word stimulus and made it about nothing but checks to the people. While that is true, stimulus checks to the people is stimulus. Everything that helps you during this time, like that free food for kids program, that is stimulus. Anything that brings money into your pocket, anything that helps prop up the economy is stimulus. It's not just the checks. So in the future, when I have a video that says stimulus update and I don't say anything about a check, it's still not clickbait. It is still about stimulus. Everything that helps us financially right now is stimulus. Y'all, please subscribe to my new channel, Wally's World's Blogs. The link is in the box below. Also, check out my 2 new books. The link is also there. Y'all, I love you all. Until the next time, please subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, leave your thumbs up, and please share these videos out. And don't forget, call that number or text summer meals to get started in the Food for Kids program. Y'all, please do this if you need the help. Love you all. Ciao.